Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome to my English class, Standard 6, 4.5, a book review, George's Secret Key to the Universe. So let's start. तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं 4.5, a book review, George's Secret Key to the Universe. George's dad is an ardent environmentalist. In fact, both his parents are convinced that modern inventions of science and technology have caused a lot of damage on the earth. They are committed to the cause of saving the planet. They use a bicycle instead of a car. There is a ban on TV and computer in their house. They don't buy things like bread and biscuits. They eat only vegetarian and home cooked food. They even use candle to light the house to avoid using electricity. Poor George has to suffer a lot of journey and ridicule from his friend because of all this. Actually, George doesn't think that either the TV or the computer is a bad thing. He has tried to tell his parents that it's possible to save the earth using the computer and the internet, but no, in their house there can't be any discussion on that issue. George always liked to know why, but who is to answer this question? His parents think that he is still too young to understand global issues. One day, however, George unexpectedly acquires a new friend and new door neighbor, Annie. Annie's father, Eric, is a brilliant scientist and ever willing to answer all the George questions. Eric has built a super intelligent computer named Cosmos. Cosmos has incredible power. It can literally open windows on the universe and take you to any planet, star, comet, and even to black hole. And of course, Cosmos can also bring you back from there. However, Cosmos depends entirely on the information that is fed into it by people like Eric, who do the research and thinking that can make Cosmos work. Science can be used for good cause, and a group of good scientists like Eric have vowed to use it for people's welfare. Unfortunately, there is one odd angry scientist who wants to use science for his own selfish motives. He is planning to steal Cosmos and all Eric's research so that he can establish his own rules on another planet. It also happens that only George can do something to overcome the weak plans of the nasty scientists. If you want to know what adventures he undertakes and what strategies he has to use to stop the power-hungry scientists, you have to read the novel George's Secret Key to the Universe. The author of this wonderful adventure is Lucy Hawking. The story of the novel is imaginary, but it also includes plenty of charts, photographs, boxes, and give you hard facts about our solar systems, galaxies, space, and the whole universe. This information has been presented in a very simple, easy to understand manner by none other than Stephen Hawking, who is said to be one of the greatest scientists of our times. His achievements are all more outstanding as he is a victim of many physical ailments. He has to use a wheelchair to move about and use a computerized voice system in order to speak. The story of Stephen Hawking triumph over his physical disabilities is itself an inspiring adventure. The book includes very attractive and expensive sketches drawn by Gary Parsons. It is true that excessive use of science and technology can give rise to certain problems, but that turning away from technology is not the solution. That is why the Hawking have given an important message in this book. More research, more studies, and more commitment to use them not for selfish gain but for the welfare of the entire world.